Scalp. What's up, guys? Your boy Felix Story. I'm back with another banger, and today we're gonna show you my progress week 2. No, weeks are going too fast for me. I'm making a lot of progress. I think you can see nothing, but I'm making a lot of progress since week 1. I hope by like the next month I'm gonna get my weights back. Yeah, not like the way I had it before, but at least more weights coming in faster. I'll be brushing for a long time. Like 2 hours. 2 hours in the afternoon. Then the night I brush for 2 hours, for 2 more hours. I just keep brushing more, and it's going really good, to be honest. So yeah, the reason that my waist coming in fast because since I already had waist before, my hair is basically trained already. But I need to like get it more trained because I'm getting a swirl. I used to have a V-high for like almost 2 years, so it's really hard for my waist to like make a new pattern that he's not used to. So like, damn, this lighting is good, bro. Cap. Like this angle right here. Damn. Let me know if you guys like this angle where I put it right now. I don't know if it's gonna record good. I mean, I can see myself good. So let's get into that. Let's unwrap my do-rag and show you my progress. Week 2 progress. See. Oh, by the way, I got a new mirror. So I have to get a new mirror. So you can't see nothing. Okay. Can't see nothing. Let me know if you like you guys. Let's go. Yeah, you can see my waist right here. Coming in. It's not that bad for 2 weeks of brushing my hair, It's actually pretty good. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use my soft crown brush right here. Can't even see it. Oh, where's it so soft? I don't know, bro. It's soft. Let's get some quick brush session real quick. Guys, if you haven't followed me on Instagram already, go follow me right here. Felix Too Wavy, And then you haven't subscribed, probably watching this video. Come on. We 31 subscribers, let's get it to 40. Probably like, I don't know, we're gonna get to 40, but grind don't stop. I tell you every single week I'm gonna be posting a video for my progress. don't use no hard brush because I don't want to make my scalp bleed because I'm trying to deal with that. So I don't use no hard brush. Like I consider this one, this a crown. I consider it's a hard brush, but I don't use it. When I'm wolfing. One part I'll be using. This nice gold drip butter. But it's good actually. Because I don't know, $5. It's actually good. I can't see it, it's late. God, dude. Can't see myself. This nice gold drip butter. Pretty sure it's not natural too, so you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna use it. Okay. Medium, mediano. Okay. Tony, the goat drip butter. It's not $50, it's only $5. So after you finish brushing, make sure you put your do-rag on. Sweet silky, you know what I'm saying? No party. My favorite. Make sure it's silky. But first of all, I need to go wash my face before I get something in my face from the pomade, you know what I'm saying? So I'll be back. Just give me like 4. Okay, hold on. Yo, you already know how I'm back. I get in my face, you know what's about. I don't know what I'm saying. Just put your do it on. That's what I'm saying. 1, 2. You already know how we're spinning. So the crews, let me know who's spinning. I use that PB the goat butter peanut. Bow. 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 Almost broke my neck. No cat. He couldn't smell it with the hoodie. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hold on. Hold on. Okay. Alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and make sure to drop a like, sub, and check my Instagram, Felix the Wavy, down in the description. And let me know how's my progress doing. Week 3, here we come. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'm out. Peace.